Hi everyone, it's Caroline and this is my new, or not so new, YouTube channel. Last year I started bullet journaling and this year I decided to share my spreads on both YouTube and Instagram. My index is very short because in my previous bullet journal I rarely used it and it just took too much space. And that's my calendar spread. But I think for my next bullet journal I want to separate the birthdays from the events. After that we have the places and things I've done this year page. And then we have a quote and the Polaroid memories page, which I find a great idea to finally use my Instax Mini more often. And then we have the January spread that was inspired by Amanda Rach Lee, fireworks. So with all that out of the way, let's start with the February spread. The theme for this month is henna. For anyone who doesn't know what henna is, it is a temporary body art resulting from the staining of the skin from a dye, according to Google. So basically henna is a lot of swirls and circles and dots and flower petals. Anything that you want to do, you can decorate with henna. And here you see me doing a lot of circles and yeah, that's the start page. Well, I did set up my camera real weird so you can't really see me and my hand is covering most of it, and you can also see my head once or twice or thrice or 4 times pop up in the screen because I don't know, this is my first video and I made a lot of mistakes. And the batteries, I ran out of battery juice, then I had to charge the batteries, then I had a second battery that also ran out of juice, so a lot happened. But yay, I made it, kinda. So, I don't know. With this idea, you can even add more and more circles if you want. You can always change it up or add more things because there's no limit to henna. You can really make a lot of circles or a lot of dots or a lot of flowers. But I just looked up some reference pictures on Google and got really inspired to do this spread. Okay, and that should be it for the main page, I guess. Let's move on. Now next is the habit tracker and the mood tracker. I'm surprised that I keep using those things, even though I'm kind of like lazy to keep up with those, but they have been working out quite well for me. And there you can see me screw up with one of the page using the eraser too harshly. And that's not the only time. Later on, I'll do it again. But hey, you can just put it under several books for a couple of days and it should even out a little bit, maybe? I don't know. For the mood track, I just wanted to do something different than always just coloring in. So when I'm in a bad mood, I'm gonna have small circles. When I'm in a good mood, I have normal circles, the petals. And if I'm in a good mood, I'm gonna have some flowers. And then I decided to make a thicker wall for the box because it just looked too empty. Okay, next page. The goals. I have there my goals, to do, and the music, what I'm listening to at the moment. And yeah, just see me put a lot of boxes, and more lines, more circles. Wow, I made a lot of circles for that spread. And more flowers. Yay. And there you can see me screw up again at the music after erasing it. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm mainly using the Sharpie pen and the Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip pen. And then because my husband decided to take the scissors and misplace them somewhere else, I had to use the multi-tool with a little scissor there, doing a really bad job too. Ooh. But later on I think I found the scissors and corrected it. But hey, you gotta use what you have.